I'm Catherine Steele, here on the ground in Jefferson, North Carolina. I'm based out of West Jefferson, North Carolina, but I serve many, many counties. So in this particular area, we have, within a 60-minute radius, we have North Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee all together. You hear this truck going by. That looked like one of the probably Army National Guard trucks that are taking provision to a holding station, like where I am right now, a holding station. And we are the year-round emergency food line for Ashe County. So they're taking the provision so we can use it later. So we're gonna be using all of this all winter long. We have field teams going out to take every man, woman, and child what they need, and we find out whether they've lost their home, what damage they have, whether they have cats, dogs, horses. We facilitate for these organizations, for these people through many organizations. We appreciate Samaritan's Purse. We appreciate so many. We appreciate PWI especially for bringing the provision for this hour. This happens all day long, has been for what, 19 days now? I've lost track. Thank you guys, we love you.